As you use Excel, you'll probably find that there are some features you use more than others, and maybe some features you don't use at all. To make it easy to get to the features you use most often, you can pin them to this little toolbar up here called the Quick Access Toolbar, or the CAT for short. The CAT works exactly the same way in all the Office 2010 applications, so if you know how to do it in Excel, then you already know how to do it in Word, PowerPoint, and the others. Now, by default, the Quick Access Toolbar has 3 commands. You have Save, Undo, and Redo. So here are a few ways that you can add commands to the CAT. Click this down arrow here, and here are some pretty common commands that you might want to use. So let's just click this one, New. That will let you create a new workbook. Let's click it again, choose Open. That will let you open a workbook. So it's the same thing as pressing Control-N, or this one pressing Control-O, or same thing as going to the File tab and choosing Open or New. But what if you want to put a command up on the Quick Access Toolbar that's not in that quick little pick list? Let me show you a couple of ways of doing that. Click that down arrow again, and go down here and choose More Commands. Now, this brings you to the Excel Options dialog box, and we're in the Quick Access Toolbar section. It's the same thing as if you click the File tab and then gone down on the bottom to choose Options and chosen this one. It's just a little faster way. So here you can see all the commands you have on the Quick Access Toolbar. And let's say drawing shapes is a task that you need to do frequently. Well, you see over here, this drop-down list is right now set to popular commands. Let's leave it the way it is for now. And just scroll down to the bottom and just double-click Shapes. And when you double-click Shapes, you see it gets put over here. Now, Shapes is at the bottom, which means it'll be all the way on the right side of the Quick Access Toolbar. But let's say you decide you want Shapes to be the first item in the Quick Access Toolbar. Make sure it's selected, and then click the up arrow until it gets to the top. And then down here, click OK. So now you can see the Shapes command is there. Let's check it out. Click the down arrow, choose any old shape you like, and draw it, and it works, just as though you had taken shapes from the Insert tab. Well, we don't need that shape right now, so I'm just going to delete it. Now, I have a rather large worksheet open here on the screen, and one thing you might do with large worksheets is set the print area. So let's say, for example, I wanted to print maybe just those few cells. Well, you may know already, you could go to the Page Layout tab, choose Print Area, and then click Print Area. But if that's something you do often, here's an easy way that we could put this up in the Quick Access Toolbar. When you have the Set Print Area here visible, click the right mouse button on it and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. And now you see here it's on the right. So click it, and now we can see the print area set. We see the dotted line. Now let's say you decided that you wanted to display the CAT below the ribbon. Click that down arrow, and over here choose Show Below the Ribbon. Now I have it below the ribbon. I'll put it back, click that down arrow, Show Above the Ribbon, and there it is. If you decide you want to remove something from the Quick Access Toolbar, it's just a right click. Let's say we don't need the shapes anymore, so right click it, choose Remove from Quick Access Toolbar, and it's gone. So the ability to customize the Quick Access Toolbar is another way that Excel puts almost everything you need within 1 or 2 clicks. If you ever tried customizing the toolbars in the 2003 or older versions, you'll probably appreciate the way it's done in the 2010 version.